Alright, so here it is. We're gonna drive around to see how it looks like on the road, but that is super white. There you go. Hey guys, it's Marvin here. Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to take a look at this AUXITO LED bulb. This is the low beam H11, H9, H8. And you might be wondering why these bulbs are more expensive than the other models, because they are AUXITO's flagship bulbs. But are they worth the extra money? So I'll show you the installation, beam shots, real world driving footage, and share my thoughts so you can decide if they're right for you. They sent this to me to test out, but I'm not installing them in my truck because I have a Lariat trim which already comes with the factory LEDs in the front, back, and even the interior lights. They are all proprietary LEDs. So with that said, I'll be installing them on my friend's 2017 F-150 XLT. Again, I got this for free, but that's not going to change anything because you guys will be able to see the result for yourselves after we test them. If there's anything I don't like, I will definitely share my opinion. I'm not new to LED upgrades. I have installed LEDs on my previous vehicles, including my Honda Odyssey, Nissan Pathfinder, and Mazda 5. Again, the only vehicle I haven't upgraded is my 2020 F-150 Lariat because it already came with the factory LEDs. I'm also curious to see how bright these LEDs are, so let's get them installed. Anyway, I just noticed here it says that it comes with a 2-year warranty, which is pretty good. And here it is, my friend's 2017 F-150 XLT in white color. It's a beautiful truck. So we'll start on the driver's side. As you can see, the wheel is already turned to the left, which give us a bit more room to remove the screws from the wheel well. Okay, so we need to remove 3 screws using a 3/16 socket. 2 of them are very easy to see. And the third one is right up on top. We also need to remove 1 plastic retainer, and after that we can easily pull back the wheel well liner to access the bulbs. The one we are replacing is the low beam, which is the bulb on the top. First, remove the rubber that's covered, then just feel for the bulb and rotate it counterclockwise to remove it. The only challenge is disconnecting the connector because it's a bit hard to do it with one hand. As you can see here, I reach in from the top with my left hand and was able to disconnect the bulb from the wiring harness. And here you can see that the connector on the LED is the same as the halogen bulb. So installation is pretty straightforward. Now it's time to install the new bulb. Again, you just have to feel for the housing while installing the bulb and rotate it clockwise to lock it in place. And here you can clearly see how I reach it from the top. And I guess if you have a long arms, it will be much easier. What I'm trying to figure out is the driver, but I tried that the driver can actually go inside the housing. I'll try it again. I'm gonna try to put it in because if you don't put the driver inside, you cannot install the dust cap, like the rubber cover, whatever you call it. Right, so that's how it is. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing right now, but it's just right there. The driver is already inside the housing. Just wondering if it's gonna make a rattling noise. I don't want to use the double-sided tape as well because once you have to remove it, then it's gonna be difficult to remove. So just like this, I can also put everything inside just like that. So yeah, for the LED driver and connector, there's plenty of room at the bottom of the housing, so just tuck them inside. I didn't use the double-sided tape because I wanted to make it easier to remove everything later if I ever need to. After testing, we couldn't hear any rattles at all, so it's all good. And don't forget to reinstall the dust cover and you're done. Okay guys, there you go. I can already tell these are going to be bright at night. You can see the difference right away. The stock bulb on the passenger side has that yellowish color, while the new AUXITO LED is a nice crispy white. Now we're going to install the passenger side. I'm not going to record that part because it is exactly the same process. Just turn the wheel all the way to the right to give yourself more room to remove the screws, and that's pretty much it. We're going to wait until it gets dark, then we'll take the truck out for a drive so you can see the beam pattern and how these AUXITO LEDs perform on the road. Alright, so both the driver and passenger side are installed, done, and here are the original halogen bulbs. I always put them back in the box and keep them in the vehicle. That way if an LED bulb ever quits, I still have the original bulbs and can quickly swap them back in if needed. I think it's a good idea to keep them as a backup. Okay, so here they are. I'm sure you guys have already noticed how bright they are. I can't wait for it to get dark so we can really see how these bulbs perform. Alright, so we're gonna drive around to see how it looks like on the road, but that is super white. There you go. And here you can see the beam pattern. It has a nice clean cut off on both sides and the light is not scattered all over the place. After this test, we had to adjust the headlights down because my friend had just installed a leveling kit in the truck. If you notice, the beam is aimed a little bit high, but even then, with this kind of super bright light, I highly recommend checking that your headlights are properly aimed after installing the new LED bulbs. So who is the AUXITO X5 Series LEDs for? In my opinion, these bulbs are for anyone looking for one of the brightest LED upgrades without going with a projector retrofit. They are also good choice if you do a lot of night driving, especially highway, or you do off-roading and want that better visibility. If your factory halogen headlights just aren't bright enough anymore, the X5 series is definitely worth considering. And of course, make sure the LED bulbs are legal in your area and that your headlight housing are properly aimed so you don't blind oncoming drivers. But if you mostly drive in the city with plenty of street lights and rarely drive on the highway or off-roading, I would just go with a cheaper option like this one to save some money. So that is the installation and review of the AUXITO X5 Series H11, H9, H8 LED bulbs. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing and hit that notification bell. If you're interested in the X5 series, you can find the link in the comments and description, or if you are looking for LED bulbs for a different vehicle, you can also visit the AUXITO website. They carry plenty of different LED options. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.